to the Dram Diaries. I am Peter, and I have another double dram blind. 2 whiskeys. I don't know what they are. I'm going to let you know what I think of them, what I think they should cost, and if I would even want to buy a bottle of them. So, let's go. We got A and B. Ooh, man. Whoa. Man, that, Loads and loads of sweetness and orchard fruits. That is delicious, man. Oh, wow, that smells like a spicy Christmas pie. I really have no idea what these are. Interesting. Huh. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to start with Glass A. We got some proof behind them, though. I'll tell you that. Whoa, man, that is very fruity. I wonder if this is a single malt. Wow. That's so good. Whatever that is, go and buy a bottle of it. It's so good. What? Oh my goodness. Brown sugar, molasses. Man, like nutmeg. Just red fruit. Like a red fruit compote. And just chewy and oily and viscous and luscious. That, whatever it is, I want a bottle at all times. I hope it's not hard to get, and I hope it's not allocated. I'm worried for Glass B. We'll see though. Man, it smells like, I don't know, pine sol came to my nose. Wow, I don't know. Yeah, it's got like a piney, resinous sweetness. It's not off-putting. It's actually enjoyable. It's very different than that one. Well, let's see. Down the hatch. Whew. Wow. That's tasty. I wonder if these are ryes. It's just this like screaming rye whiskey to me. And I don't know why I would have put a rye with a single malt. I wonder if this is like a sherry finish single malt. Goodness, I have no clue what these are. Wow. Interesting. This is just like pine lemon. It's tasty. It's good, but I'd go for this one. Man, just tasting the proof on these and like the punch of flavors and just the viscosity and just like these are chewy. Wow. I'd pay $100 for this one, and I could see like I would want to pay $65-70 for this one. This one takes it though, for sure, without a doubt. All right, let's see what they are. Glass B is, whoa, Redwood Empire Emerald Giant Rye Whiskey, the cask strength one, 116.4 proof, $70. Isn't that what I said I would want to pay for it? $70? So, okay, a rye. Wow, what in the world is that? Like, this hit me like a sherry finished single malt. I think because the sherry was so heavy on it. I'm wondering, I might not know what I'm talking about now. No way. No way. Sagamore Cask Strength Rye, 112.2 proof, 50 stinking dollars. Okay, look. If you want to get into rye whiskey, pretty much just go Sagamore and just forget everyone else. Like, for the money, you cannot beat them. This, I don't know if this is available anymore, but this sherry finish, incredible. They're double oaked, incredible. This cask strength, incredible. I've heard good things about their age stated. I haven't had any yet. Hopefully I'll break down and buy a bottle soon, but oh my goodness. Okay, now that I know what it is, I can see it's a rye whiskey for sure, but the sweetness is so intense. Like, they are just crushing it with their rye whiskeys. My goodness. Wow. Sagamore all the way, man. For 50 bucks. Yeah. You know, I'm going to put a link at the end of this video to the blend to match this Midwinter Nights Dram. It uses this Sagamore as the base. Okay. Have you had this? Okay, have you had any of the age-stated Sagamores? I'm curious what you think, if they're worth the price. All right, until next time. Okay, since these were rye whiskeys, and Chanel is a big fan of rye whiskeys, I had to take these into her for her to try. She did enjoy them both, but she picked the Sagamore Cask Strength because this one, the Redwood Empire, she said had it tasted like it had fart in it. So, okay, there you go. If you like farts, you're gonna like the Redwood Empire.